Hi to everyone. We, the contributing authors, are presenting a visual abstract on our paper Elastic Plastic Fracture Analysis of Anisotropy Effect on AA2050 T84 alloy at different temperatures, a numerical study. Now, the motivation behind this work is this alloy is used in aircraft wing parts as well as has suggested to be used in the cryogenic temperature applications like space shuttle tanks. But in earlier literature, we could find that anisotropic tensile behavior of this alloy has been noticed. However, the anisotropic fracture behavior is essential because these parts are going to be designed under damage tolerance criteria. So, in this study, we have considered a different plate orientations like LT, TL as well as ST as shown in the figure. And two plate locations we are considering, that is CT specimen has been extracted from the plate surface, that is T by 6, as well as the middle of the plate, that is T by 2 location. The CT specimen has been used for our study. A numerical study, that is elastic plastic fracture analysis, were carried out by using the tensile properties which has been obtained by the earlier work of Hafele et al. Now at both temperatures, the peak value of J integral at crack front center were noticed for different plate orientation as well as for locations. However, the CMOD values were flat, and along the crack front the values were same for both the temperatures. Now here in this slide, at plate surface location, that is in the first figure, we could see the plate orientation effect has been nullified. That means the CT specimen extracted from the plate surface is going to be showing the plate orientation less. So the T by 2 location, that is mid plate location, is showing a variety of the J value which is indicating the effect of plate orientation. And the similar observations were made for other crack driving parameters like CTOD as well as CMOD. Now an effort is also made to understand what is the constraint level at the crack front. Now here we have used the plastic zone size as a constraint parameter, and it is also strongly suggesting that the plate orientation effect has been nullified at the T by 6 location, that is at the plate surface. Finally, to conclude, the isotropic behavior at the T by 6 location, that is at the plate surface location, makes it a suitable location to extract the parts of space shuttle tank as well as aircraft spars, which are suitable for ambient temperature as well as cryogenic temperature applications. Thank you.